I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up in what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I was wrong.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Station 4, Parrot Paradise. Thank you.
Station 4 à?
We are now heading back to Station 1. Tram is leaving station now. Please take note that tram service will end at Station 1. Tram service will end at Station 1. Thank you.
Welcome back on our tram ride. We are now heading back to tram station 1. Look to your right. These birds with huge beaks are pelicans. They use their large pouches to scoop fish and empty the water before swallowing their catch. Watch them in action during Keeper's Chit Chat at 2 p.m. Can you guess which bird have won the title for being the supermodel of the bird world? That's right, it is the flamingo. The Flamingo Lake is home to nearly 200 greater flamingos. In the wild, flamingos live in large flocks of up to 10,000. The lodge overlooking Flamingo Lake can be booked for seminars, parties, and team building events. Now get ready for big splashes of fun at Birds of Play on your left, where kids can spread their wings and play to their heart's content. Coming up on your left is Hawk Arena, where you can watch the Kings of the Sky show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Find out what goes into caring for eggs and chicks at the Breeding and Research Center. Each year, our bird nannies can raise more than 100 chicks, including the critically endangered Bali myna and blue-throated macaw.
already.